Sometimes the smallest blocks build the biggest memories. I didn't expect a simple tumbling tower game to turn into this peaceful little Christmas moment, but today it did. Welcome back to the cozy corner of my craft table. Today, I'm creating something simple, sweet, and very Christmassy, using tumbling tower game blocks, a little paint, and some dollar store miniatures. It's one of those quiet projects that remind you to slow down, even just for a few minutes. So I started by picking up the tumbling tower blocks. You know, the ones everybody has somewhere in a drawer. I took 4 pieces and glued them together to make a tiny little frame. Nothing perfect, nothing fancy, just a simple shape that felt right. You ever start a project and think, let's just see where this goes? Yeah, that was me today. I made 6 of them, some painted in soft Christmas red and the others in a clean winter white. As they were drying, the room smelled like fresh paint and Christmas candles, the perfect combination. Then I pulled out 2 packs of tiny miniatures from Dollar Tree. Little snowmen, little trees, tiny gifts. I love these things. They make you feel like you're holding a whole Christmas village in your hand. As I removed the bottom stands from each miniature, I caught myself smiling. It felt like I was setting them free, like they finally had somewhere new to stand. And tell me, am I the only one who talks to these little miniatures while I'm crafting? Because I definitely told the tiny snowman, hold still, don't fall now. He didn't listen, but we moved on. I glued each miniature gently into the center of the painted frames. Just like that, every frame became a tiny Christmas scene, a moment frozen in time. Then came my favorite part, decorating. A little greenery here, a cherry ball there, just enough to make it look like Christmas whispered right across each block. And honestly, the whole time I was crafting, it felt peaceful. No rush, no pressure, just me, the blocks, the glue, and a quiet room. You know, sometimes life gets loud, too loud. And projects like this remind me that peace isn't something you wait for. It's something you create with your own hands. I thought about how these tiny frames started as simple game pieces, just blocks, nothing special. But when you give something a little time, a little love, a little imagination, it becomes something new, something beautiful. And maybe we're the same way. Maybe all we need is a little patience with ourselves, a little creativity, a little quiet moment to breathe and build again. just like that, 6 tiny Christmas scenes, all made from the simplest materials: tumbling tower blocks, a little paint, tiny miniatures, and a few touches of greenery. I sat back and looked at them all lined up, and it felt like I had built my own tiny Christmas storybook. If this project brought you a little peace today, or a little inspiration, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you try it yourself, tag me. I'd love to see your version. Thank you for spending this quiet crafting moment with me. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and Merry Christmas.